If the tailgate handle on your Toyota Tundra has broken, this video will walk you through the full replacement process step by step. This is a beginner-friendly job and take less than 20 minutes with basic tools. Here's the old handle. As you can see, the plastic casing is cracked right where the bolt connects. This is the most common failure point. And here's the replacement part. Notice how much cleaner and newer. It's pretty much identical as the old one, with same dimension and mounting holes. You will need the following tools and parts: 10mm socket and a ratchet, screwdriver, an Allen key or Torx key. Start by opening the tailgate. Remove the inner plastic panel, which are held by multiple Torx screws. For this part, you can use either Allen key or Torx key. Take out all the screws and expose the handle assembly inside. Use a ratchet to remove the 10mm bolt that mount the old handle where it was broken off. After you remove the old handle, insert the new handle from the outside. Align it properly, then secure it with the 2-bolt 10mm size on both sides. Now reconnect the latch rod to the new handle. Snap the clip into place. Then test the tailgate. It should open and close smoothly. After you install the new handle, now reinstall the inner panel by tightening all the screws back into the original place. Your Tundra now has a brand new working tailgate handle. And quick tip, if the handle feels stiff, apply a little bit lithium grease to the latch for smoother operation. And also on the back side of your old handle, you will find a lock cylinder held with a small retainer clip. You can use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry it off if you wish to reuse the old lock cylinder. Once it's free, you can insert it into the new handle. And in my case, I do not wish to use the old lock cylinder as there's no purpose for it. So I will leave as it is. Thanks for watching.